12 free CEUs. If you're someone who's looking for CEUs, this is really great video for you guys. I would suggest you guys to have a mobile phone, or someone can also carry a laptop and watch this video where I guide you how to get those 12 CEUs. If you're someone into medical coding profession, why not subscribe to my channel? I make a lot of content. I do help you guys, I don't claim otherwise. All right, let me share my screen and I'll guide you how do you get those 12 CEUs. All right. um, Log into your APC account, and also on the other tab have a search engine open. All right, once it is open for you guys, all right, so just go here and type in CMS. I hope you guys know what is CMS by now. Right? Type in CMS and then type in MLN. Now, what's MLN? MLN stands for Medicare Learning Network. All right? Just scroll a bit down, and then you can see here it's cms.government's site, where you can see a section called the Medicare Learning Network. Why don't you click on that? All right. All right. Uh, guys, let me stop my screen share. Yeah, it's a problem accessing this site in India. So why you guys have to have an VPN with yourself, and yeah, go to select US server, and let me connect to my VPN as well. Yeah, let me connect to the VPN. Yeah, I mean, few of them might get this access denied site error uh, on their device as well. So if you are someone from India accessing this site, I suggest you to use a VPN or change your network provider. All right, again, sharing my screen again. I have connected to VPN. All right, this is my screen, and I'm still getting the same error. Now what I'll do is I'll change my network provider. That way I know I'll be able to access this site. It opens now. All right, I've gone to search engine. I've clicked on CMS MLN. I searched for it. I clicked on the site, and right now I am still struggling to get into that site. Let me try it again. CMS MLN. There we go. I hope it opens now though. All right, here we go. I've clicked on MLN. It still doesn't open. Anyways, I still have to tell you guys, you guys can see MLN web-based training here as well. Go and give it a try. Even this one doesn't open. Wow. Let me check if my VPN is actually working or no now. It is actually working. Should be opening by now. All right, I'll try to open this in a different browser. So I'll suggest you guys as well to open it in different browser. Let me go and try it in a different browser, and I'll let you know once it opens. I'll share it on the screen as well. All right, it has opened in Microsoft Edge. I'll share Microsoft Edge on your screen. There you go. Right, this is the site we were trying to open. It has opened in a different browser. Right, you guys can see Medical Learning Network mentioned over here, and right below there you can see resources and training, and over here mentioned as web-based training. All right, go give it a click over there, and we'll get a lot of training modules mentioned over here. You can see available courses here. We have 2026 Medicare, combating Medicare, diagnosis coding, Medicare billing. There are a lot of courses there. All right. But just make sure you also check out the duration of this course, that takes minimum time to complete this course. All right. There's 120, 30, 60, 90, 90 minutes, although. All right. So what you guys will be doing is whenever you get time, open a random course, whatever you choose, open the course, complete the course, whatever module they have. They might have 3 to 4 modules in a particular course. Give the quiz at the end, and since this is Medicare Learning Network, this quiz can be given again and again. Unless you can take retest, unless you score a good score, right? Once you complete each course, at the end they'll ask you to type in your name to generate a certification for you guys. Once the certificate is generated, there you will be finding an index number as well over there. And once you have that index number, you will be using that index number to get the CEU. Let me tell you how again. All right. All right. Let me share my screen. Log into your AAPC account, and once you have logged in, right, this is the AAPC account what I'm using right now. And here we go. Once you have logged in, just click on your profile and click on overview at the right top. Once you clicked on overview, you'll have this open on your device, right? Once this is opened, go and click on certifications and CEUs. Right, let me disable the VPN because my APC account isn't opening now. All right, I've disabled the VPN and now it should be working. All right, APC has opened. We have clicked on certification and CEUs, and there you have this open. What you will be doing here is you'll be clicking on Add CEUs. You click on Add CEUs. There you go. You have opened this. Next, now they'll be asking you some information before you proceed to get a CEU. They'll ask you, do you have an index number? You'll say yes. And now you'll tell them the index number you have. You'll get that index number on the course you had completed on Medicare Learning Network. So you'll paste the index number over here. The date, since if you're someone from India, you'll have to put in a previous date. I hope you know why is that the case. So you'll have to type in the previous date, and if possible, why not upload the certification as well? You will have this record, and even APC will have this record of your CU and index number. Right? Just choose your file, upload your certification as well. Although only index number and date is mandatory. And once you have kept in all those details here, you'll go on and click on save. And within minutes, the CU will be automatically added to your account. Now, for example, I'll complete a short course for you guys. Now, before I start this course, you guys can see I'll be starting out with this course. You guys can see the number of duration, number of hours, minutes mentioned for each course here mentioned over here, right? So AAPC, what it does is for 60 minutes, if you have attended something for 60 minutes, for that 60 minutes, you get one CEU. For 120 minutes, you'll get two CEUs. For 30 minutes, you'll get half a CEU, that is zero point 0.5. And for 90 minutes, as you have guessed it already, 1.5 CEU. So what you'll be doing is whenever you have done something for 30 minutes on the website of AAPC on your account, just ask for 0.5 CEU, not for one, not for two, just 0.5. All right. For 120 minutes, you'll be asking for two CEUs. For 60 minutes, you'll be asking for one CEU. All right. So let us complete this 30-minute course because I've already completed this way back while I was completing my CEUs as well. All right, let me complete this very quickly. I guess I can show you how do you get the index number and all. Since I have already completed this way before, I will be doing it very quickly. All right. So I'll suggest you guys to go through this course very thoroughly, not like me, what I'm doing, the way I'm doing, because I've already completed this course way back. I can't even remember, probably it's 5 or 6 years back. So almost half the course is done. All right. The lesson 2. This is almost done as well. All right. Now, once this is done, you guys can see we have a test that we'll be completing right now. We have 10 questions and we have to score more than 70 get or the certification and also to complete this course. All right, let us start this one. I hope I'll be able to complete this one very. Oh, I've got the first one wrong. It was false. Oh, I've got this one wrong as well. How can I get all those wrong? Right, I'm just trying to complete it very quickly so that I can show you how is it done exactly. Oh, did I score more than 70 here? You scored 70. Oh, actually, I've scored 70. Exactly what you entered. So just scroll down. You can see here, get certificate. I'll click on get certificate. I'll type in my name. I'll type Decode healthcare with. All right, there you go. I've typed it in. There you go. I've got this certification and I'll click. You know what? Go ahead and save this for your own record that you have this with you. And then you can click on next. Yeah, that's it. That's the course. Now, going to, I'll just try and save this one for my record as well. I'll show you guys how do you do it going ahead as well. So I click on print and I'll save this as PDF. Yes, I've said that as PDF. Let us go back to our AAPC account. Right. Since we have come back to our AAPC account, do we have the index number? No, we don't. Now let's see what all details do they ask. I'll have to type in the date, so I'll type in now since it's evening evening in India. The date 31 is in the US as well. I can click on 31. Credit type, you'll have to click on or select CMS, MAC sponsored because it was Medicare and it was by CMS. Once you select this, yeah, you can type in the company sponsor presenter if you want to, as it's not mandatory. Title of course or presentation will be the title given on the certificate as well. Let me go ahead and copy the one I have got in right now. It's this one. Let me copy. There you go. I've copied this one. I've pasted. Instructor publisher number of CEUs. Since it was just 30 minutes, let me go and type in 0.5 and I'll go and upload the document I want to the certification. Once you have done this, go ahead and click and save. Since I have already submitted this CEU 3 years back, I don't want to submit this again since it will be a duplicate CEU and I don't want to do that. I want to learn new things and also get it for you guys as well. Right, there you go. That's the video. If you at all, if you're struggling onto something uh, into getting the CEO on your APC account, do let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out guys on that as well. And if at all there's some other issue, go ahead and talk to APC as well on their chat box. They are very helpful, and they're always there for you as medical coding. Ah, uh, so this was the video for the ones who were asking me how do we get additional CUs other than the ones the APC magazine gets you 12 CUs for 12 months. So here we go. We have additional CUs here, and let me know if you need if you need additional CUs other than this. I'll try and find those as well for you. All right. Thanks for watching. My name is Harshal, and why not give you a like and subscribe to this video. All right. See you in the next one. Bye bye.